Y'all see, man, I'm right here on the side of the road. Got a tow truck, man, and yeah, I got to get a tow, man. So story time coming soon. I know y'all want to know what happened, but unfortunately, man, I can't get all that right now. But I was literally coming down the road, bro, and literally was coming down the road, and I just hit the gas, bro, gave it a little pull, and more just went haywire. Check engine lights came on. It wouldn't drive, and I was like, man, I'm thinking it's either the transfer case or the transmission. I don't know, man. I've been Googling the codes, and some people saying that it might be the TCM control module. I don't know, man, but I'm about to get it towed to the shop right up the road. Like, I was literally 10 minutes from the house, bro, and this happened. So I'm about to get it towed to the shop. Hopefully, bro, they tell me that it's just a transmission control module or something small. I hope to God they tell me that I need a transmission or a transfer case. But if I do, then it is what it is. Man, it's crazy, bro. It's like almost 2 in the morning, dog. It's like almost 2 in the morning, and as y'all can see, my man's right there with the tow truck, and this is what I'm doing right now. So I don't know, man. We about to get it loaded up and get it to the shop, and I'll keep y'all updated, man. I'm fucking sick right now, bro. I can't lie. Let me close my door. Just people. I'm gonna have to probably put it in neutral. It's the whole fucking side of the house. I don't understand people, bro. Like, if you see a car right here, why you continuously on the other side when you don't have traffic? Man, so I'm up here at the shop. I'm at Gray's. Y'all see I got the Hawk right there, man. So he said a code keep popping up on the scanner. I got my laptop. I'm gonna try to reflash the tune. Like I said, man, when it did it, I didn't hear no loud thumping, no grinding, no, you know what I'm saying? I didn't hear anything that was heavy or like sound like something broke. You know what I mean? So, like I said, I've been doing some research. Some people were saying that it might be like a valve solenoid. I heard some people say that it was like, like the TCM module need to be reset or whatever the case may be. I don't know, man. But what I'm finna do right now is I got my laptop. I'm finna hook it back up, and I'm finna reflash the tune and let the TCM read itself over, kind of like a reset. But I'm gonna wait because he got to get the security module back bypass so I can hook my laptop to it, man. But yeah, we're gonna try that first, man. Hopefully, it's just electronic. When I flash it, it'll do it over again. If not, if it is the trans, then I guess it's just time to build one. So we'll see, man. I'll keep y'all tuned. So I'm finna go into HP Tuners real quick, man. And I'm gonna scan it. Not scan it. I'm gonna reflash it. And I'm gonna reflash it, man, and see what it do. So hopefully we'll see. All right, y'all. So, man, I'm gonna tell you what I did. So I did hook my computer back up, man. I did hook the computer up. I did try to reflash it. It did reflash. The check engine light went away, but as soon as I put it in drive, it came right back up, and then it started flashing that thing, and all the gears started flashing again. So I think I done blew the trans, bro. And when I say blew the trans, it can be a lot of factors inside the trans. It can be a module, it can be a valve solenoid, and the codes pulled up some wire, and then it said clutch failed. Clutch disc 2 failed, and it had permanent. And something about the clutch disc. So that's inside, maybe it's the torque converter. I don't know, bro. But yeah, that didn't work. So when I saw failed clutch disc 2 permanent, whatever the case may be, I'm like, all right. that means whatever happened in there is fried. So the question is, do I go back with another stock trans? Stock trans are rated between 850 to 900 horsepower, man. Or do I just go ahead and bite the bullet, man, and just get a simple? I don't know. I might just end up getting a simple, man, and just calling it a day. Cause simple transmissions are rated for 2,000 horsepower, man. So, you know, and I know John Simple, man, he stand behind his word, man. So yeah, man, that's the case, man. But, you know, y'all know my buddies, my good old buddies down here at Graves gonna always take care of me, man. So they got the truck in here diagnostic. They did a diagnosis, man, and he told me the code he got, and it's what I pretty much already knew, man. So, yeah, we gonna probably just have to end up getting a trans, man. So, yeah, I know I was on MMX, and then they had a stage 2 trans built, upgraded clutch, upgraded assembly, all that, you know. But they said it's gonna take like 3 to 5 weeks to get here, man. That's the unfortunate part. It's gonna take like 3 to 5 weeks to get here. So yeah. So other than that, man, yeah. I done blew the trans in the truck, man. I knew it was gonna happen though, because at the same time, you know, it's power. And it comes with it. So I can't get mad about it myself, man. It is what it is. It's my fault. But that comes with the game, man. So, but yeah, like I said, man, these guys down here at Graves Performance, man, they always take care of me no matter what it is, big or small. They're going to always look out. You know what I'm saying? So shout out to them, man. If you in the Prattville, Millbrook area, whatever, man, and you need something done to your car, go to Graves Performance, man. Graves Tire Service Center. Tell them Big Rob sent you up there, man. And I promise you they'll take care of you, man. They didn't touch every car I had, the Audi, the Hellcat, and the Trackhawk. You know what I'm saying? I trust them. And they stand behind their work. So yeah, man. But yeah, man, let me go ahead and figure out next step. And I know y'all want to know what happened. I'm gonna give y'all a story time. Hold on. All right, so man, I had to end up coming to another shop. I had to end up dropping the truck out to another shop, man. I just want to make sure I got everything that I need. But I had dropped it off to A&S Transmission Repair, Certified Transmission Repair Shop over here off of East Main Street in Prattville, bro. But yeah, man, they specialize in transmissions. But let me show y'all what they got in here, though. They specialize in transmissions, bro. And I got the Hawk pulled in, as y'all can see. You feel me? They're going to get me right now. They're going to be closed for the holidays. So she said turnaround time, man, probably be 2 weeks. But I am going to need another transmission. They're going to take it out. They're going to tear it down. And they're going to see if it's the whole transmission. Maybe it's a valve solenoid. Maybe it's a clutch. Whatever. You know what I'm saying? They got to tear it down and see what's going on. But regardless, there's something internally going on with the transmission. So I ain't tripping. But let me show y'all this real quick. This is the owner car, man. They got the owner, man. The owner of this transmission shop, Z06, C7 Z06 on them sticky Mickey drag radials, man. Now this car got a drag radial set on it, so you know what I'm saying? I wonder what's all done to it. I don't know. It say, what it say? STR to clean. Straight to clean. Straight. I can't read out what that means, man. I don't know. But he got the drag radials on it. 06. Man, he got a fire interior with the red inside. Y'all see that? Nicely interior, man. But yeah. And then they got a Gen 5 Camaro over there. I actually seen that car around before. I think it got a cam in it. Gen 5 Camaro got a cam in it and whatnot. But yeah, man, as y'all can see, they work on number transmission, man. So I got the Trackhawk dropped off, man. I'm gonna get back with them, and hopefully within a couple weeks I can have everything back. So I mean, y'all just stay tuned, man. I give y'all an update of what's going on, and hopefully within a couple weeks I have truck back on the road. All right, man. So I know y'all finally want a story time, so I'm finna give y'all one, man. The video unfortunately had like a lot of different scenes and different parts, because at first I took it to Graves, because I always take my cars to Graves, because, like, you know what I'm saying, like, they always work on all my cars. But this particular time I had to end up taking it to another shop, only because they wouldn't be able to tear my transmission all the way down. So like if I would have had another transmission that I wanted to just take out and put in, they would have did it. But You know, dealing with these warranty companies, you know, they just want you to do a lot. And I don't think they really specialize in, like, you know what I'm saying, actually breaking down transmissions and, like, you know what I'm saying, the internal components and stuff like that. So I took it to a shop that does actual transmission repair, and they take it apart internal. They do an internal diagnostic on it, and, you know what I'm saying, all that. So, but what happened was, so I was coming home, man. I was leaving the Christmas party, and I was coming home, man. I was on the interstate, and so I was merging onto the E-way, man. So I put it in manual. I put it in manual, dropped down a couple gears, man, and I got to like third gear, and I was like at 40 miles per hour, man. So I did like a little 40 roll, and I hit the gas. And like I said, man, the truck modded, man. So, you know, it threw me to the seat. So mind you, it was the torque, man, the torque kicked in like that on this truck, man. So like it was crazy. So it threw me to the seat. And so, you know what I mean, I'm automatically trying to focus on like keeping the wheel straight. And I forgot that it was in manual. And when I forgot that it was in manual, man, all I heard was, and I was like, fuck. Man, so, you know, I'm trying to get a truck gas. It wouldn't go nowhere. And so I pulled over to the side of the road while I still had some road. It wasn't really nobody on the highway for real. So I pulled over on the side of the road, man. And then I turned the truck off, let it sit for a minute, disconnect the battery cable. I'm checking TCM fuses, you know what I'm saying, all that good stuff. It still went, and I cut it back on, but it still didn't work, man. Like I said, y'all saw I reflashed the tune, and it still did the same thing. And so, you know, all the gear lights, all the gear shift lights were just blinking. You can still put it in gear, you know what I'm saying, but it just wouldn't go nowhere, man. So it's something internally going on with the transmission, man. So, you know, we're gonna get it right, man. But yeah, that's what happened, man. So y'all just stay tuned. I'll keep y'all updated, bro.